It's me again. I look better now. I fixed my hair and put makeup on so I know my kids don't have to be embarrassed in my YouTube video. Still doing laundry. And I got one load done anyways. I am going to go grab some out of the dryer. And then I gotta go pick my lovely husband up. He left last night and had to go somewhere. But he's back today. I look so much better than I did earlier. Totally. I actually can't believe I even put that video on there. But, yeah, I look better now. Okay, so here's my cat Lily Billy. She actually belongs to Alexis. Say hi, Billy Billy. Say hi, Lily. Oh, she doesn't want to say hi. Let's see. Well, the house is clean. There's the dog, Tika. She's always in the window. And here's the baby Maisie Moo-Moos. It's a Moo-Moos. Oh, you want your belly rubbed. Oh. Yes, when you were at the vet, they